Hi everyone, Byron Martin here at Logies, and it is December and all of our citrus are starting to ripen. Our mother tree in the big greenhouse has its crop on it. This year is an off year for our citrus, and many of the varieties that we grow will bear every other year heavily, and then they'll produce light crops or no crops in the following year, and this is an off year. But here's a great bunch of grapefruit from Ruby Red that we have that really did a stunning display for us, and they're fairly large, and that's because the tree itself has very little fruit on it, so all the energy's going into it. And why it created so many on one stem, obviously it was able to hold the fruit, but it was just one of those chance things that happened. And the fruit is delicious in terms of flavor and sweetness. Ruby Red is an old variety. We do sell it for cultivation or for pot container growing, but it is still a well-known cultivar. So grapefruit are wonderful citrus fruit for containers, or in this case in our greenhouse. And if you'd like more information, visit us at logies.com.